All right, everybody, back here, Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque Day. Sun just came up. Porsches are rolling in. It's gonna be a great morning. This is kind of the before shot. We've got the wonderful team from Porsche Woodland Hills out here. Great team. Got the donuts.
That looks like a lot to handle.
Cars are showing up. It's gonna be a beautiful morning. So get out here. I want to thank Porsche Woodland Hills, Howard Keys, Howard Tenenbaum, Scott Stanley, the amazing team. It's gonna be a great day. December 8th is Motor for Toys. Don't forget. Got a flyer right here. 21st annual. Check that out. It's gonna be a great day. Porsches are pulling in. It's gonna be a great morning.
Good, how are you? That's nice.
So this is paint to sample, not a wrap. What a color. That's really cool.
No, it's all about paint to sample, brother. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Unbelievable. So exciting to see a paint to sample this color. I love it.
Thank you so much.
Done right. It's not a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. It's paint to sample from Porsche. So cool.
And manual.
And a manual. You got it. Incredible. Love it. The cars keep showing up. Great morning out here. Back here at Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque Day, absolutely packed. Scott, what do you think?
It's an amazing day. Thank you, everybody, for coming out. You know, now, more importantly, we've got to be out here on December 8th. For Motor for Toys. We're going to break all kinds of records with all the toys and cash donations. We're going to have some matching funds. So your dollars, by the way, Porsche Woodland Hills pays for all the administrative stuff. Everything you do, everything you bring goes directly to the kids.
100% to the kids. Porsche Woodland Hills sponsored it for years and years and years now, just like Supercar Sunday, investing and giving back in our community. We do fundraisers throughout the years. Motor for Toys is one of the big ones. They cover all the hard costs with their sponsorship so we can have fun. They support everything we do. And Motor for Toys is gonna be the biggest year yet. December 8th, Pierce College. Fill your car with toys, come over, let's have a great time.
All right, so electric Macans, we got all the new colors over here. 833 foot-pounds of torque you were talking about. Dakar, you can raise it up 3 inches. This thing will win an off-road race. 3 inches up to 105 miles an hour. It's a Carrera GTS 4 under the skins. Got the KC lights up on the top, LEDs. One of the best handling cars. We got an ST over here. Manual transmission.
Wow,
highest
pretty
horsepower manual transmission. So that oak green at 833 foot-pounds of torque, that's the second highest power torque that they put out in a Porsche production car. It's on par with the
Turbo S cab?
quarter million for less than half the price.
Wow.
Obviously all of our favorites and our regulars, and
Unbelievable day.
we get to say thank you to Howard this time.
So, sir, I'm gonna interrupt for a second. thank you so much for sponsoring Supercar Sunday.
My
Motor for
pleasure.
Toys, you, your dealership, everything you guys do lets us have all this fun.
That's great.
Thank you, your family, your group, everybody. Bottom of my heart.
It's the best. It's the right thing to do at the right time for all of us. The car community deserves it all. You do a great job. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. And so we appreciate everything you do. And we're going to have a great holiday season and set a whole new tone for next year.
Love it. Thank you for everything.
Thanks, Dustin. I wish you'd call him Sam or something. Yeah. Hey, Sam.
All right, I'm going to sign off. It's just a great day. My family's here.
That should be fun. So when you
This community is the absolute best. Absolute best. All right, so here we go. Gotta love it. This car always gets a lot of looks. I wish the sun was behind me right now. Love this car. Everything's good. You?
No, those are the good ones.
Cars keep coming. All right, so we're back here, Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque Day. That spot's safe for John Power. And look at the cars keep rolling in. You gotta love it. You gotta love the car community. So cool. I always say miles of smiles.
How are you, bro?
How's everything?
Good, bro. Good seeing you.
Everything's good?
Good,
Yeah, yeah.
buddy.
I've been looking for. I want to see a carbon fiber.
Great morning out here. Filling up. I love this car. I love to own this car.
Hey,
Morning.
Dusty, how you doing?
John.
That didn't come out till later, right? Dual, are they rectangular headlights or dual round?
Hey, Lair. Oh, there's the iconic shot right there.
That's like you. We got to talk.
Morning. Thank you guys for being here.
How you doing?
Great to see you. Packed house. Such a beautiful morning out here.
Inspect this vehicle.
Howard, he also runs the Jeep Chrysler store in Vegas. John is up to about
right?
We still don't know. He believes that
Cars keep coming. Morning. Thank you.
Can't wait for Christmas.
their names on these things.
Right. No, we're not coming.
Well, yeah. Okay, so it's just
Got a long day, Albert. Not the time right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's all right.
Oh, pardon me. Morning.
Good turnout.
Gents. The cars keep coming. Love this car. You got it. All of us.
Literally
Team of,
spent so much
it's a
time.
team.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But not, it's still a 99,
So this is actual paint, not a wrap?
yeah,
Oh, okay. So
acid green. Thank you.
Paint sample.
Yeah.
So we call it Supercar Sunday for a reason.
Damn.
Come over here. Hey guys, got a car coming through. Hey kid, move over a little bit. Thank you, Howard. Hey, watch behind you. Hold on, he's backing up.
Yeah, watch her.
Got it. Hey guys, can you clear the way, please? Another day at Supercar Sunday.
Everybody has the right to their yeah, man, it's gonna get
There you go. Take a look. V12. Another great day, Supercar Sunday. Another great day. Porsche and Hills, gotta love it. Two of the most passionate guys right there. YouTube, Facebook, you gotta love it right there.
That's it.
All right. Check out their pictures and bids. Great community out here. Best community. All right, more to come. Cars keep coming. Beautiful day. I see Porsches, McLarens, our good friends at LAPD. Appreciate all law enforcement. Another great morning at Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque Day. Absolutely packed.
Right, so I brought it back.
Really light about it. Yeah, it's like I started watching. She was
Gents, all right, how's it going? How's it going? December 8th toy event.
Right.
Kick that McLaren guy out of here.
Oh, he snuck in. I don't know who it is. What are you gonna do?
all right. Here's our $500,000 car.
How are you guys? Good. Thanks for being here.
Great to see you.
Hey guys, we're gonna park this Porsche right here.
Like, see that yellow car right there? See how they have it on there? Like one? What color? We have black, white, blue.
It looks bigger.
We have small, medium, large. Blue? We do 2 small ones for to start. And you're welcome.
Thank you, Scott.